Welcome, you're welcome. Okay, so in this next video session, I'm going to be creating a very simple quote design. A very simple quote design. All right, so I'm going to be starting with creating the quote design because I feel it's going to help us to really understand the principles of designs, the elements, and everything we've studied so far before we go into creating actual flyer designs. Now, this is going to be very simple and very easy. All right, so let's just start with it. The very first thing I would want to do is to change the color of my background. I don't want to use this white color. So let me just come to this color section here, and let's say I choose this color. No, let me just come here and choose this color. All right, so let's choose this color. You should find that color on your application. Next thing I'll do is just come to this icon here. That's my quote icon. And then I'll just choose any of this text. So let's say I choose this text, this one here. Okay. Sorry about that. So you can see, I'll just change the color to black. Change the color to black color like this. And then I'll change the font type to Montserrat. Now I want you to download this particular font. I already sent you the link so you can download it and also to watch the video. So I'll change this to Montserrat semi bold like this. Okay, and I'll reduce the size to 25. Now the reason I'm doing this is because of I want to lay emphasis on a particular text. I'm coming. Let's say let me put it like 20, 30. Let me put it at 30. 30. I think 30 will make sense for me. 30. All right. All right. So I just put it in the center like this. Center like this. All right. So the next thing I want to do now is I'll copy this same text, or let me just create another one, and then I'll write the name of the person. So you can just write your name. Just write your name as the name of the person that wrote the code. Or let's just write unknown. Let's write unknown. Yeah, let's write unknown like this. Unknown, right? So I'll change the color also to black. Okay, and then this time around, I'm not going to use semi bold. And you know I'm not going to use semi bold. That's because of I want to lay emphasis on the name of this person. So I'm going to use Montserrat bold or Montserrat extra bold, right? So don't ever make this mistake. I don't see this mistake. For this particular text, I'm using Montserrat semi bold. That's because of that is a chunk of information. But I want you to know that this is the name of this guy. You get, so assuming it's my name that is there now, Isaac. I want you to know that, hey, this is the guy that actually wrote this code. You see that? So, but I just want to just know that it's unknown. I don't know the person. So that is it's unknown. So when you open this design, you can see this every of this text here, and then you can see this unknown. You get, so that this is contrast in play. I think I already taught this in the principle of design. You want your design to be very interesting. You don't want to just use the same size for your heading, the same size for the subheading and every of this. You want to create a very interesting interaction between your elements. All right, so that's the essence of us doing that. So this size of this one is 30. The size of this one also is okay. This one is like 34. So you can see it's 34. So it's bigger than the one on top of it, and it's also bolder than it. So I can just go ahead and save this up, and then that is all for the very first design. So you just recreate this same design and then send it out. I'll tell you where you can send it to.